Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Brother MFC-L2800DW. It's a multifunctional printer. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents from this printer to your computer. There are two ways to do this. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop or computer are connected to the same network via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct or with USB cable. In this case, we connected both via Wi-Fi network. And if you look from the panel, you will see that the Wi-Fi light is on. It's showing us steady green light. Now to scan your documents, the first one we want to do is using window scanner. So go to your laptop settings, go to the laptop settings. Then you go to printers and scanners. The next thing to do is you need to add device. And once you add device, you need to look for Brother MFC-L2800D printer. We already done that. It will show you app is installed for this printer. Then you select on it. And once you select on it, it will show you that the printer is idle. You can print test page, open printer app, or print test page. Before you scan document, open up glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document start from the left. Then close the scanner. We want to scan using Windows scanner, so you need to go to scanner settings. Select scanner settings, open scanner. This is Windows scanner, and it will show you printer Brother MFC-L2800DW printer. Source is showing us auto configured. You can select the source as glass scanner or ADF by scrolling down to select the specific. It will show you flatbed, feeder, or auto configured. Auto configured means wherever you put the document, it will detect it. So we want to leave it auto configured, and also we want to leave it. The file type is PNG. Then show more. Save to document. You select where you want to save this. We want to save it in the document folder. Then select this folder. Select scan. So this document is now scanning. Select view to view the document. Then it will ask you for you to select app. You can view the document by selecting the photo. So you can use particular app to view the document. Just select once. And this is the document we scanned. If you want to save this document, you select the three dots, select save as, then you decide where you want to save it. By default setting, we go to OneDrive, but we want to save this in document. Then you select document. You can also give the document name, then select save, but the document is already saved on the computer. I'm just showing you how to save the document, but we save this document to the documents. So it's already saved on this PC. If you want to print it out, then you select print icon. Then change orientation to portrait. Paper tray is showing us automatic select. You can scroll down to select tray 1. Paper type A4, plain paper, fill page, more setting. Then more setting, it give you option for you to select every other features or print on both sides. What we scan here is one page document. So print on both sides is off. Then you select OK. Then select print. Receiving data. This is the document we scanned. Now, I want to show you another way to scan document from this printer to your computer. We need to go to Brother iPrint app. This printer and laptop both are connected using Brother iPrint app. Go to Microsoft Store, type Brother iPrint app, open it up. So this is Brother iPrint app. If you are configuring this printer for the first time, you need to select Scanner Installer. So we already done that. So now we want to scan document. You select Scan. So make sure you have the document that you want to scan face down. So let's say we want to scan different documents. This one, put the document face down. Close the scanner. Then from the app, you select Scan. So it's acquiring data. We are scanning with iPrint app. And this is the document we scanned. If you want to scan the second document, open up the scanner and stick the document face down. Then you select Scan again. So these are the documents we scanned. To print this document out or save image or save as PDF, you select Save as PDF. Then it takes you to wherever you want to save this. Then select Save. Or give the file name. Then select Save. So the file is now saved. And another thing is, if you want to print it out, you select Print. Showing us page 1 to 2. Then you select the correct printer. Select how many copies. Then select OK. So it's printing these two documents. These are the documents we scanned and printed it out. Single page each. If you want to print it double-sided, you select Print. Then go to the property. Then you select Print on both sides. Print on both sides. Then you select OK. Then select Print. This is document we printed on both sides. If you want to print it double-sided, then go to your file, select the document, double-click it to open. These are the document, 2 pages. If you want to print them out, then you select Ctrl P, or you go on top and select the printer icon, select Ctrl P. On the left side, it will show you the Brother MFC-L2800DW printer, and it's showing us ready. Make sure you select it. What we want to do now is to print double-sided. Go down and select Print on both sides. Then select Print. It's receiving data. This is the document we scanned, saved it to the computer, and also printed it out double-sided. So these are ways to scan documents from Windows and also using Brother iPrint app. Thank you very much indeed.